Hi, this is George from Digital Road, back with you for number three. We're back with number three of the ifs. And the number three of the ifs is if I had understood paralysis by analysis, I would have advanced quicker, would not have been so slow and such waste of time as I moved through years, probably three, four, and five of my journey of online marketing. So, what do I mean by this? Well, what I mean by this is that as you work your way through all the products and all the emails, and you go from one product to another, you lose your focus. And you can go weeks on end where you get paralyzed by either a product that you have purchased and you can't seem to figure out how it works, or you can get paralyzed by taking a course and getting another course right behind it that you thought was, well, this one has something better in it. And you're just piling information on top of information. And as you do that, you find yourself becoming paralyzed. You are getting overwhelmed. You're spending money left and right. You are actually relieved to see an email promoting another product because you were kind of tied up in the last product you bought, realizing you had deep inside realizing you had wasted your money on it. You were trying to salvage it. You were trying to figure out how it worked, or trying to get your money back on your fifth or sixth email to the vendor, realizing they didn't give a crap, giving your money back, or that you wasted your money. You become paralyzed by overthinking everything. Probably everything from why am I doing this to why would I think this would work? And you're actually looking for the escape, the lifestyle escape that's painted in the sales pages is actually an escape. It was for me, at least. You find that you find anything and everything to be a distraction because you're looking for a distraction because you're really confused. You don't have answers. You don't have direction. You know you're light years away from making any money, and you can't seem to find anything that makes sense to you. But you know you can do this. You know you can do it. You want to do it, but you end up being paralyzed and you're not doing it. You're wasting time like I used to do. I spend my time, work my 12-hour day, come home, then I spend 2 hours reading emails or finding new products to buy. And then by the weekend, when I had extra time, which would be a Sunday off and half a Saturday, instead of spending it sometimes with my family, I would find ways to escape for 2 or 3 hours to the computer to try to find a way to make something work of the 3 or 4 new products I had piled up and purchased during the week. Now, does that make any sense? No, not at all. But that's where I was. And this went on for years 4, 5, 6, and 7 until last year I found Philip Barlman. If you haven't heard of Philip or Simple Traffic Blueprint, then there's a link down in the description that is good for some free training for you to get you started, to try to get you squared away. I do mean squared away. We're going to talk tomorrow about getting traffic to your site, and that's if number 4, which I'm not going to title at the moment, but we'll talk about that tomorrow. I hope you got something from this video today, the paralysis of analysis. And if you did, please like it. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel while you're at it, and also reach over there and hit the bell icon if you already haven't, so you'll be notified every time I publish a new video to our channel. And thank you for watching today. We appreciate you.